So in this video, we're going to talk about some geometric transformations. Actually, just one geometric transformation, and that's called a translation. So as you can read, a translation is a repositioning of a point or a figure according to some rule. Okay, and that rule is the thing that tells you what to do. Okay, it's the directions. How are we moving this figure? In what direction? Is it going up or down? Is it going left or right? How are we being told to move it? And that is the rule. So in this example I have right here, okay, we have the rule is 3 units to the right and 2 units down. And that is where we're going to move all of our points. So symbolically we write it like this. X plus 3, because like it says, moving to the left or the right goes with the X term, and moving up or down is with the Y term. So plus 3 with the X means move every X point 3 units right, and this says move every Y point 2 units down. Okay, so that's the rule, and every time we do a translation you can be given the rule, or if you see a translation you can write the rule from that translation. Okay, so here's a quick example. Here we have a nice triangle. So I'm going to be plotting it real quick. Here's our triangle. Let me get some axes. Here I will call these my axes. As good as I can with my finger on this board. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So I have A at the point 3, negative 2. There's point A. Point B is at negative 1, 4. Right there-ish. And C is at negative 4, negative 5, which is down here. So here's the triangle ABC that are given to us by our 3 points. Okay, now our rule says that we're going to move every X 4 units to the left and every Y point 3 units up. So we're going to do that like this. It starts with A, and we go 4 units left, so 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and then Y is up 3 units, 1, 2, 3. Here is the new location for point A, and we call that A prime. So it still has the same letter, but it's no longer in the original point as A, so we use a little tick mark up top to denote A prime, the new place of A. Okay, and then B will do the same thing. B will go from its point 4 units left and 3 units up. So here's our new B point, which is now B prime. And C goes 4 units to the left and 3 units up. And here we have our new point C prime. So we can redraw our triangle based upon these new vertices, and we like to color it in. So this one is called your image. This is the image of. So the thing that happens after you translate is called the image, which means the thing that was before, oddly enough, is called your pre-image. Okay, and we always want to shade your image to know that this is what has happened from your original. Okay, that's a translation.